A man has been left paralyzed following a police shooting, and he's getting ready to be arraigned. Now, his attorneys are demanding all charges be dropped. Now, Donald Armstrong was having a mental health episode at the time these officers showed up in front of his home. Now, during this time, I watched the video. He actually made a movement. He let them know that he didn't have any weapons on him. And they tased him first. And he made a movement. And they began to proceed to shoot this unarmed man. Now, one of his attorneys in this particular case is Ben Crump. Now, Donald Armstrong, who is 47 years old, now faces charges of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest without violence. Now, the video that I particularly saw, I didn't see anything of that nature. What I saw is the man was saying some wording. He was lifting his shirt up. You knew he didn't have a weapon. And once he was shot 6 times, like from the first time, he fell to the ground and was proceeded to be shot. Resisting arrest, I don't see that. But anyway, his attorneys, Ben Crump and Larry Hanfield, and family members spoke at a news conference following Armstrong's arraignment, and they're demanding all charges be dropped. First of all, it goes without saying, what happened in that video is unconscionable, said Crump. She only wanted to get him help. She did not expect for him to get 6 bullets in the torso. Now, the civil rights attorneys have been hired to represent Armstrong after an encounter with the Miami police on March the 7th at an Elista address where he was tased twice. Remember I told you he was tased? And shot 6 times. The incident has since led to outrage and calls for justice. Now, Donald Armstrong's mother said that she just called the police to get him some help. I need y'all just to pray for him, please. Do that for me, please, Lord. Now, Donald, who was experienced a mental health episode at the time of the police response, was filmed by bystanders during the confrontation. Video evidence shows Donald at the entrance of the home, allegedly holding a screwdriver. In that same video, Donald lifts his shirt to prove he was unarmed before being tased twice and shot 6 times by officers. Now, Crump went on to say that that's excessive. That's the very definition of excessive. A man on the ground and you continue to empty the clip and then you charge him with aggravated assault. Now, Crump went on to say, how many videos like this do we have to see? We're going to look at exploring every possible legal redress to this injustice. What happened on the video was excessive, and if we don't hold police officers accountable, it might be your child next. That's what this is about. Now, anyway, Miami police said that the case is being investigated by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and Internal Affairs. Now, here's the sad part. Armstrong is being held without bond in a jail hospital, and the hearing has been set for today to address a request for a bond to be set in this case. Make sure you stay tuned to Kimmy's World for this and other news and updates on this case. Drop down in the comment area. Let me know what you actually think about this whole situation.